Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to make a buffalo chicken dip. This is going to be the first time I've made this. I actually wasn't going to video it. Sometimes the making of things the first time is failure. But we learn from our mistakes, right? So come on and join me as I continue on with making buffalo chicken dip. The things that I'm using in mine is, I was going to put 3 chicken breasts in my slow cooker, but these chicken breasts were huge. So I only used 2 of them. And I added to the slow cooker, of course, my chicken. And I put about 3 tablespoons of Frank's Red Hot sauce, a half teaspoon of some garlic powder, and about 1 teaspoon of smoky paprika. Yeah, give it a little smoke flavor to it. But I put that chicken in the slow cooker and I put it on high, let it cook for 4.5 hours, and it was done by then. So I did shred my chicken. This is it here. And you can see I got quite a bit. Now in there already is 1 whole cube of, I'm using the low-fat cream cheese. And we're going to put 3 cups of shredded cheese in. This is a mix of I think it's Colby Jack, and I got 3 cups of it. I've got some ranch, it's the light Hidden Valley, and then of course Frank's Red Hot sauce. I've got the oven heating to 350 degrees, but we're gonna mix all this in together. Hopefully this will, yeah, it's getting soft. So y'all know this is pretty messy, and typically I'll just you know, throw my hand in there and get with it, but I don't know if I want to do that with this. I mean, somewhere, believe it or not, somewhere I actually have some kitchen gloves. You would think they would be in my kitchen in one of the drawers, wouldn't you? I don't think so. But now if you want to add just a little more garlic to this, did I tell you all I put some garlic in, garlic powder in with the chicken when it was cooking? If I didn't, I'm telling you now. Today's my son's birthday. I made him a cake too. I don't care much for buffalo stuff, but Tom does, and so does most of my family. So yeah, he'll do the taste test here in just a little while. Okay, I'm gonna start out with half a cup of, yeah, I'm sitting down today, how about that? Usually I'm standing, but my back's just hurting me so much today, you all. I don't even know why. But I'm gonna start out with half cup of the ranch dressing and half cup of the hot sauce. If I don't have enough, then I'll get some more out. I'm thinking I should have got a bigger bottle of it. Oh, the hot sauce, I mean. But I'm going to do half cup of that. You know, I started to go ahead and pour this in there, but I don't think I will, because I'll probably get an inaccurate measurement. And we don't want it so hot that it can't be ate, right? We want it so that it can be enjoyed. But let's go ahead and pour that in. And to this same, I've got little Sarah down here just dancing around wanting some chicken, but she can't have it because it's got all these spices in it already. Now, Tom would say, hey, she's a Chihuahua, let her have it. That's the oven preheated and ready. But no. And then we're gonna do again a half cup of the sauce. You want to do a half to 2/3, something like that. But again, we're gonna start out with half. There's just a little bit left in that bottle, so I'm just gonna put that in there too. Now, pour this in. Get all that goodness out of your measuring cup. Let's go ahead and mix this in together, and then we'll add our shredded cheese in. Now, I'm gonna warn you right now. You might want to get some safety glasses for this. I'm slinging it everywhere. Sarah is actually licking it up. It flew in the floor. Oh my goodness. Don't do that, little dog. It will hurt your little tummy. Let's see here. Let me get that chicken off of there. Now you can use canned chicken for this if you want to. I'd say it's probably the 3 of the big cans of chicken. Just make sure you drain it, though. You don't have to cook your chicken if you don't want to. You can grill it. However you'd like to enjoy your chicken. I did it this way because it's Sunday. You know, Sunday morning church. I had to go ahead and put it in my slow cooker. So now before I add all the cheese, I'm actually going to get Tom to give this a little taste. Again, I'm not a big fan of buffalo stuff. I like spicy stuff, but I don't really like hot sauce so much. The only hot sauce that I really like the most is, we used to purchase it all the time. The stores don't sell it so much here in town anymore. From a company local called Back Porch Hot Sauces. And they had one called Bee Sting. Now, let me tell you, you know you had that in your mouth, but I loved the flavor of it. But yeah, let me get him to give this a taste. And then we're going to put the cheese in. So if you just want to give it a taste and see if it needs anything else. Look, you see that hand? Y'all know who that hand belongs to. But go ahead and get a taste of it, dear. He's acting like he's scared of it, y'all.
Scared there won't be none left.
Does it need any more hot sauce or ranch?
A little bit more ranch.
Little more, just a little, huh?
Yeah, it's good on the heat. Yeah, not that much.
Oh, just a little dabble more. Let's get the rest of that out of there. Oh, I just cracked my elbow. That would be the one I had surgery on before, and they moved the ulnar nerve, funny bone nerve. Yeah, Yep, guess what I just did? Cracked my funny bone. This looks really good. Oh, he grabbed him another fork. He's gonna taste it again here. It smells really good. It's gonna be super cheesy. I might have to try some of it. Ooh, golly, I can smell that hot sauce. Woo! There you go, Ronnie. Was that a good woo for you? Perfect. Awesome.
Spot on, baby.
All right. Well, let's get some cheese in here. What do you say? I'm not going to put it all in at one time because it's going to be a little hard to mix. And I don't want to put too much cheese in it. I know some people say, is there a thing? Is there such thing? Well, there really is. And this is coming from somebody who absolutely loves cheese. But, you know, you want to check. You want to taste everything in this dish, not just the cheese. And I want to also have cheese that I'm going to sprinkle some on the top once I get it in the pan to stick it in the oven. Now I'm just using the little aluminum pans, but I'm going to put it on one of my baking pans so I don't spill it everywhere when I get it out of the oven. This makes a lot, you guys. I don't know if I would go with 3 unless your chicken breasts are just super small. And it will more than feed a crowd. I mean, this is a big bowl. So, yeah. I think I am going to go ahead and put the rest of that cheese in here. It's not that much. About a cup left. So, we'll go ahead and put all that in there. And then, like I said, we'll add some to the top. But I'm going to spray my pan with some nonstick so that, you know, it can all be dug out of there and ate. I've already prepped some celery and some carrots. And we also got some little, some kind of scoop type dipping chip So, we'll use those also. Be really good on crackers. I just forgot the crackers. I was gonna get some of those little wheat type crackers. I tell you what, they sell them at the Dollar Tree, and y'all, if you've never tried them, Brennan. Yeah, Brennan. Those are some really good crackers. I'm just saying. Gotta change my battery. Be right back. All right, there we go. Welcome back. Okay, now this is all mixed really good. And I've already got my pan prepped. Again, I'm using the aluminum one, so I'm gonna set it on top of this so it doesn't just end up all in my oven. Oh my lordy. I would really freak out. My oven ain't clean, by no means. But I don't want all this goodness all over it. I'm not gonna try to pour all this in at one time, because I might overfill it, and I really don't want to do that. No, I think it's going to be okay. We just want to spread it out nice and even. Again, be sure and have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. And if you all haven't yet, I hope you would subscribe by clicking that subscription button. And there's also a notification bell that's going to come up. If you click that, you'll know every time we put new content on. And if you click that like button, which is the thumbs up, it lets YouTube know that you all like what we're doing here. And I'd appreciate it if you did. And if you share my videos, thank you so much. Thank you all for joining us each time too. Or whether whether you come once or whether you come often to view our videos, I really appreciate it. We appreciate it. Tom and I both do. Y'all some good folks, and we appreciate you. Okay, just gonna give it a good spread. Try to get it even. I'm going to sprinkle the rest of this cheese on it. Just a little light coating across the top. You just dump what's in there, and then we'll separate it out and spread it out a little bit more. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of parsley on the top. It's the dried parsley, just to give it some color. Get that little bit of cheese in there that's trying to escape. There we go. Yeah. Okay. 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. You want it to get a nice little browning starting to happen on the top. And then if you need to, just flip it over to broil for a few minutes. All right. That's very heavy, by the way. But I recommend 30 minutes on the bake time. Really depends on your oven, but mine required 30 minutes. So, but that's it. It smells great, and I'm probably gonna try it myself. I have to be honest about it. I think I will try it, but look at that. That's it. We're done. So you all take care, and we'll see you next time.